Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview GLB Oxy Brite. What is GLB Oxy Brite? GLB Oxy Brite is a non-chlorine shock-producing crystal clear water, shock treating all in one easy step. This powerful shock rids pool water of contaminants that cause odor and irritation, and its unique blue water brightening crystals produce clearer water. Product benefits: non-chlorine, pool shock oxidizer, makes water crystal clear, lowers irritation. Usage directions: apply the required amount of Oxy Brite directly to the deep end of your pool. Swimmers should not be in the pool during the application, but can safely use the pool immediately after treatment. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.